Which pull-down projector screen is actually worth buying? Simple question, but the answer isn't obvious. Most look identical online, same claims, same photos. Today, I'm cutting through the noise to show you exactly which ones deliver and which ones fall flat. Product number 1, MD Bebron 120 Foldable Screen. First up, the MD Bebron 120-inch foldable screen. This thing costs just $34.62, and honestly, it surprised me. It's made of thick polyester that resists wrinkles even after being folded up tight, perfect if you're tossing it in a backpack or suitcase. Setup is ridiculously easy. Just hang it with hooks, tape, or rope. No tools, no hassle. Here's why this matters for you. If you're on a budget but still want a crisp, portable screen for backyard movies or small home theaters, this hits the sweet spot. It's lightweight at just 1.7 pounds, and over 5,000 people bought it last month, so it's clearly popular. Now, some people complained about the lack of a stand or mounting hardware included. Here's the thing though, this screen is designed to be hung, not freestanding. If you already have hooks or a wall mount, it's a steal. But if you need a full setup right out of the box, this isn't it. This is perfect for you if you want an ultra-portable, no-fuss screen for travel or temporary use. Skip this one if you need something permanent or freestanding. For under $35, the value is hard to beat. Product number 2, Wally Ceiling Mount Brackets. Now, if the MD Bebron's lack of hardware bothered you, this next one solves that, but differently. The Wally Ceiling Mount Brackets aren't a screen at all. They're the mount you need to hang one properly. Priced at just $12.81, these steel L brackets support up to 66 pounds and let you adjust the screen 1.5 to 5 inches from the wall. Here's why this matters for you. If you're mounting a screen in a dedicated room, these brackets give you professional-level placement without breaking the bank. They work with wood studs, drywall, even concrete. But here's the catch, this isn't a complete solution. You still need the actual screen. Some buyers expected a full kit and were disappointed. Here's the thing though, if you already have a screen or plan to buy one separately, these mounts are rock solid and US supported with 24/7 customer service. This is perfect for you if you're building a permanent home theater and want clean, adjustable mounting. Skip this one if you want an all-in-one portable setup. For the price, it's a smart add-on, not a standalone buy. Product number 3, SKERELL 100 Outdoor Screen with Stand. Alright, that was a solid mount. But the next one on my list might actually be better if you want plug-and-play outdoor use. The SKERELL 100-inch screen comes with a full aluminum stand, carry bag, and tool-free setup in under 5 minutes. It's 16:10, which is slightly taller than standard, great for presentations or cinematic content. The 4K HD coating delivers sharp, vibrant images, and the included ropes and water bags keep it stable in wind. Here's why this matters for you. If you host backyard movie nights or camp with a projector, this is built for real-world conditions. It weighs 6.6 pounds but folds down small. Now, some people said the stand feels a bit flimsy in strong wind, even with the anchors. Here's the thing though, for calm evenings or light breezes, it's rock solid. Just don't expect it to survive a storm. This is perfect for you if you need a portable, outdoor-ready screen that sets up fast. Skip this one if you're in a super windy area or want indoor-only use. At $56.43, it's a fair price for the convenience. Product number 4, AHOLON 120 Portable Screen with Stand. Now, if SKERELL's 100-inch size felt a bit small, AHOLON steps up with a 120-inch version that's even more stable. Priced at $85.26, it uses a weighted iron chassis with floor nail holes. No more wobbling. Here's why this matters for you. If you want a larger screen that won't tip over at a kid's party or wedding, this delivers peace of mind. It's lighter than it looks at 2.5 pounds and includes a compact carry bag. But some users said the instructions were confusing at first. Here's the thing though, once you see the labeled parts, it's actually one of the easiest to assemble. This is perfect for you if you need a big, stable screen for events or frequent outdoor use. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. It's pricier, but the build quality justifies it. Product number 5, MD Bebron 150 Giant Foldable Screen. Finally, if you want maximum size without a permanent setup, the MD Bebron 150-inch screen is a beast. At $33.34, it's shockingly affordable for a 130 by 73-inch viewing area. Like its smaller sibling, it's foldable, anti-crease polyester, and wall mount only. Here's why this matters for you. If you want a cinema-sized experience in a dorm, apartment, or rental, this gives you that without drilling holes. But the hooks are a gamble. Some stick great, others fail. Here's the thing though, if your walls are tile or smooth paint and you follow the 24-hour wait rule, they hold surprisingly well. This is perfect for you if you want a huge, temporary screen on a budget. Skip this one if you have textured walls or need freestanding support. For the price, it's hard to find a bigger screen anywhere. So which one's best? If you want ultra-portable and cheap, go MD Bebron 120. Need a mount? Wally's brackets are solid. For outdoor ease, SKRELL or AHOLON, choose AHOLON for size and stability. And if you want the biggest screen for the least cash, that 150-inch MD Bebron is wild value. Each has trade-offs, but now you know exactly which fits your life.